Get acquainted with the 2018 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, premium sound system, keyless start, fog lamps, remote engine start, backup camera. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.